Well, one of the common themes that we see with the Dell AI factory is really bringing your customer data in a secure fashion to that AI compute capability, right? And so what we're able to do through our software layer that sits on top of the AI factory is we're actually able to ingest that data and distill it down to about 2.5% of the original size.
Massive.
And it's a huge accelerator because one of the biggest challenges in the AI space, maybe you've heard the common term RAG or retrieval augmented generation. It's the big buzzword for Nvidia
Absolutely.
and for Dell. So the challenge with RAG is if you have outdated or inaccurate data in your data set, you're going to have inaccurate responses from your large language model.
Big time.
And so what we're able to do with Blockify, which is this patented ingestion technology, is we're actually able to extract all of that key information, distill it down, and then apply human governance and control to that data set so that you can have that accuracy check to make sure that everything that's being said is the latest, greatest, most accurate version of content.